Hello friends, welcome my YouTube channel that is Oral Chemistry. Today I will take a discussing about another important basic concept in organic chemistry, that is electron displacement or electron delocalization effects. Okay, this electron displacement or electron delocalization effects which helps in the stabilization of the intermediates in the organic reaction, and it is also helps in the formation of a new product in the reaction. Okay, this is the introduction about this electron displacement and electron delocalization effects. Okay, and further, this electron delocalization effects can be classified into four types. These are the classification of this electron displacement or electron delocalization effects. Okay, these are the classification. What is the first one? Inductive effect, and second one is electromeric effect, and third one is mesomeric effect or resonance effect, and final, that is last one, hyperconjugation effect. Okay, this is the classification of electron displacement or electron delocalization effects. Now I will take a discussing about only inductive effect. What is inductive effect and what are the classification of inductive effect? Okay, I will take a discussing about in this electron delocalization effects. I will take a discussing about only inductive effect, that is what is inductive effect. Inductive effect is also called as transmission effect. Inductive effect is also called as transmission effect. Okay, this inductive effect is a permanent effect which arises whenever an electron donating group and electron withdrawing group is attached at the end of the carbon chain is called as inductive effect or transmission effect. Simply, what is the inductive effect or transmission effect? It is a permanent effect which arises whenever an electron donating group and electron withdrawing group is attached at the end of the carbon chain is called as inductive effect or transmission effect. For example, this is the carbon chain. For example, I take a carbon chain. This is the chlorine. Okay. Here, in this chain, at the end of the carbon atom attached with an electron withdrawing group, that is chlorine atom. Here, compare this carbon and chlorine atom. Here, chlorine has a more electronegative atom compared with carbon. So here a polarization takes place. Electrons are towards itself in chlorine atom by its chlorine atom. So here a delta negative charge is creates, and here the first carbon delta positive charge here creates because of a pulling of electrons itself a chlorine atom. Okay, and the second carbon and third carbon, fourth carbon. Compare with first carbon, second carbon has less electron negativity of the carbon atom, so it creates another delta positive charge. Here third carbon and second carbon comparing, here also similarly takes place, 3 delta takes place. This is a polarization takes place. Here less electronegativity of the carbon and third carbon atom compared with second carbon atom. Similarly takes place delta 4 delta plus R1. This is the inductive effect, and this inductive effect, classification of inductive effect, negative inductive effect and a positive inductive effect. If I here in this chlorine atom, I replace the chlorine atom another group, that is electron donating group, I attached this carbon chain. So here you will see this electron donating group donates the electrons from this group to carbon. Then it creates a polarization effect, that is it creates a polarization. Here a delta positive charge is created and here a delta negative charge is created. Compare with carbon and electron donating group, carbon having a more electron negativity of the atom compare with electron donating group. Comparing this carbon 1 and carbon 2, compare this carbon and carbon 2, carbon 2 has more electron negativity of the atom because of the moving of electrons is extra in this carbon 2. So here 2 delta minus charge. Here compare with similarly takes plus 3 delta charge, delta negative charge. So finally 4 delta minus charge. Here more electron negativity of the compare with before carbon atom, more electron negativity of the this carbon atom. So you will understand this concept. This is the classification of the inductive effect. This is the whatever how we remember or how do you remember this what is the positive inductive effect, what is the negative inductive effect. This is the negative inductive effect or minus I effect. This is the minus I effect and this is the positive inductive effect or plus I effect. How do you remember this positive inductive effect or negative inductive effect? You see carbon getting a delta positive charge, then this is called as negative inductive effect. Okay, this is the one remembering idea. A carbon getting a delta positive charge, then this inductive effect is called as negative inductive effect. Okay, another type, another remembering idea, that is whenever attacking reagent or attacking group is electron within ring group, then that effect is called as negative inductive effect. Okay, and here also here this carbon getting a delta negative charge, then that effect is called as positive inductive effect. Okay, and this is also here this is also remembering another idea, that is whenever electron donating group attached this carbon chain, then that effect is called as positive inductive effect. All you understand? Okay, now this is the classification of inductive effect. Scientific definition of the this inductive effect. What is the scientific definition of this inductive effect? What is inductive effect? It is a process. It is a process of displacement of electrons along the saturated carbon chain. Along the saturated carbon chain, due to presence of the polar covalent bond at the end of the carbon chain is called as inductive effect. What is the inductive effect? Inductive effect is a process. Okay, process the displacement of sigma electrons along the carbon chain in the presence of or due to the presence of polar covalent bond at the end of the carbon chain is called as inductive effect. This is the scientific definition of the inductive effect. Okay, this is the classification of the inductive effect. Some electron donating, some electron withdrawing groups, for examples in this negative inductive effect, some electron withdrawing groups, for example Cn minus, sorry, this is the electron withdrawing group, say Cn minus and NO2, sorry Cn minus Cn, NO2 and OH. And positive inductive effect, for examples electron donating group, for example carbon CH3, sorry CH3 and CH2 and another CH3. Okay, and CH3 twice. These are the some electron donating groups. These are the some electron withdrawing group which helps in the this inductive effect or transmission effects. Okay, now I will be discussing about briefly this inductive effect, where is it help in the reactions, how is it using the inductive effect in this in the organic reactions. Now I will take an example of this inductive effect. For example, how is it help in the organic reactions? For example, uh, for example, methyl chloride which is treated with base or nucleophile, then it forms. Whenever here we are idea or we are thinking about only inductive effect, how this inductive effect is used in our organic reactions. Here thinking we are using an inductive effect here. Carbon and chlorine contain, here compare with chlorine carbon, here comparing with carbon, chlorine has high electron negativity of the atom. So these electrons, the sigma electrons pulling the chlorine atom from the carbon atom. So here delta negative charge is created and here a delta positive charge is created. Then only this nucleus attacking with this carbon atom, then it forms. At a time this chlorine atom removing takes place, then it forms our required product, methyl alcohol is formed. This is the methyl alcohol. Okay, this is the inductive effect. This is the reaction. I will take an example of the inductive effect. How is it helping this organic reactions? This inductive effect. I hope you can understand this reaction in inductive effect. How is it helps in the organic reactions? Thank you.